maybe you've heard whispers. Or maybe, just like us, you stumbled across their work and felt your jaw hit the floor. Either way, once you see what Theon Design is doing with classic Porsches, you can't unsee it. Theon doesn't just restore, they rethink. Based in Oxfordshire, also I'm not from there so I could be mispronouncing, Theon Design was founded by Adam Hawley, a former automotive designer with over 2 decades of experience at major brands like BMW, Jaguar Land Rover, and Lotus. Named after he and co-founder Lucinda's son, Theo, Theon Design take the bones of a 964 and rebuild it from the ground up. Lighter, louder, sharper, and somehow even more Porsche than the original. Customers have a choice of engine configurations ranging from a 3.6 to a 4-liter naturally aspirated engine, as well as other options for forced induction. Whereas you could see one with 371 horsepower or 500 horsepower and 9,000 revs in the Theon R. Combined with extensive carbon fiber and a weight of less than 2,200 pounds, it has a higher power-to-weight ratio than many modern supercars. With carbon fiber bodywork, hand-built flat sixes, and interiors that look like they were spec'd by a watchmaker with a racing addiction, every Theon build is a bespoke tribute to analog driving, with no nostalgia filter needed. This isn't a backdate, it's not a tribute. It's a 911 dream car you didn't know was possible. Until now. This is Theon Design, where classic Porsche gets re-engineered by obsession.